Your SureSafeGO 24/7 alarm is ready to use straight out of the box. Turn the pendant on by pressing the button on the side. To activate the pendant, press and hold the SOS button for 3 seconds. A friendly SureSafe operative will speak to you through the pendant.
Hi Margaret, it's Joanna at SureSafe. Is everything okay?
Yes, I just wanted to test the alarm.
Tell the operator what is happening and help will be on the way.
Okay, that's fine. Just let me know if you need anything.
To charge, simply click the pendant into the charging cradle. Wear the pendant wherever you go and feel safe that help is available at the touch of a button.